Thank you to Morris Garage for setting up 4 charging stations at MariApps. We also thank the channel partner INH for helping to coordinate this setup. It's a very green initiative. This charging station is going to add value. This is going to help with the employees for the electric charging. Thank you.
MG Motor is happy to associate with MariApps Marine Solutions Pvt for achieving 1,000 charging stations across India. Congratulations. Thank you.